Good morning, my powerful MBP family. Good morning, good morning. The girl Miss Bev is in the house again this morning. We're not going to be long because I'm up. At what time is it, guys? It is now 10:35, and I'm just going to make something to eat, and I'm going to do some breakfast, whatever. It's so funny you're here and you're not even hungry. You know, you get up, you shower, you just sit here loafing it out like we're going on the road in a little bit. But it's just beautiful. Just beautiful. Bev Branagh study her quarterly now. Lord of mercy. Haven't bought a quarterly in forever. I mean, but we're here. So yesterday Bev Brown took on a shopping with her, and I'm just gonna I'm gonna show you guys something real quickly. Bev Brown, do me a favor. Give me the honey, please. So my people, look at this. When you come to Jamaica, make sure that you stock up on your honey. We these honey, thank you, are from Saint Elizabeth, right? Saint Bess golden honey, and there on the bottom, you're gonna see Holland Village, Middlesex, Saint Elizabeth, and that's their number, guys. 876-328-5550. Holland Village is right across from the Appleton rum factory, right across it. So you want to get your nice honey. The one thing I love about this, when you buy the regular honey, it is the cap on it, it's just a regular cap. Or even when you buy it locally from some people, the cap is just a regular cap. What I like is the way they sealed it. You see that? The way they seal it. So that means once you get it from them, no matter where you put it, nobody can open it and put anything in it. It's nice. And what I like with Jamaican honey, guys, is the fact that I got 4, but we ordered some more. Because they never turn sugar. They don't add sugar into their honey. I buy honey, and I don't use honey. My husband uses honey. And I buy honey for the table for him to use. And you see, it just sits there, and all the sugar grains, after you use a certain amount, the whole, like half of the bottle or so, turns just thick sugar. You see the living sugar in it. But what I like with these, I know last year when we came down, my aunt had gotten honey from my friend, and their honey also, you use every last drop of it, no sugar added. Every drop of it was used, and that honey came from Jackie Bell's son in Duncan's, but we got these from St. Elizabeth, because when I spoke to Jackie, actually, she had said that the pollen, the flowering and all of that for the bees to get their pollen thing wasn't available. So there wasn't much flowering going on, so they didn't have any honey. So we got more than enough from St. Elizabeth. So, where's your cup? Get your cup so you can set the jar. Not the glass, I said your cup. You had your drink from this yesterday. No, this is, go drink that. That's ginger with the ginger. Sit. Jump down there and go. I cannot have you on the camera. I cannot have you on the camera. Right. So another thing, guys, when you come to Jamaica, go sit out there. Oh yeah, thank you. Go ahead. Another thing, guys, when you come to Jamaica, I want you to check this out. These are the best. All right, so we went and we got these, and it is so refreshing. It's not too sweet, and it is so rich with ginger, guys. It's the best drink for the hot sun. June plum, June plum drink, guys. It's the best. So when you come in this place and you don't buy sodas, just get your June plum with the ginger, rich ginger. So yeah, we replenished for a few more days, or another week. We got more water. We got more drink. I don't do the sorry drink, but it's there. We got more onions. We still have saltfish, crackers and stuff, guys. So we replenished yesterday, and this should last. We got some mac and cheese, because we have a young girl staying here with us, Kayla. More sardine. I love sardine and rice. We have more flour, no more dumplings. We're done with the fried dumplings and all that. Still have a lot of garlic powder, which is good. This is another one of my favorite things, and I found it on the shelf and I had to grab it. It is the real Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper sauce, man. It's very good. Just use it in moderation. And we have eggs left, but we're done with the eggs. Somebody had eggs today. I'm done with eggs. So we had 30, what was it? 36? We still have 17 left there. And it's but Easter time, guys. So listen, I had to get a little piece of bun. We have another one there. Probably buy a nice bun to bring back with me. I don't know. We have cereal for Kayla. We have oatmeal. So we do some replenishing, guys. So we're doing great. It's just a good look. We're just giving God thanks. As I said, this was a beautiful time for me here. Just the love, the laughter, the fun. Yesterday, Kayla and myself, we were playing Go Fish. She learned so quickly, and we had a good time. She's only 7, but an awesome, beautiful little girl, awesome young lady. So we had a good time. So guys, as I said, just lift us all up in prayer. Lift up yourselves in prayer. Be good to yourselves. Look at me. See how I sweat? Even though the air is on, I sweat when I'm in here. When you shower, the humidity. But the good thing is that I really did well. I did very, very well. Sleeping, I would maybe get up at maybe 2:33, between 2:30 and 4. But I go back to sleep, and so it's a good thing. So I'm going to get something to eat now, and I'm just saying to you, just be well, and just be well. If you can be good, be careful, but walk good, speak well of people, speak well to people, speak well about people, and just know that what we do, it affects, it leaves good feelings or bad feelings. So let us learn to leave good feelings with people, because if it's a good feeling, we're going to remember it. But also, if it's a bad feeling, we'll remember it. So don't think that when you do these things or you say these things, and all of a sudden afterwards, an hour or so after, a day after, a month after, you just feel like, oh, you could have just forget that. That was nothing. When, we always remember how things make us feel. All right? So let us help people to feel good. Don't learn to hurt and then expect people to just get over it. It's not so. We're human beings. So let us give good feelings, leave good memories. And so when time comes, that we're able to face people and be able to laugh with people, people don't have to avoid us. People avoid us when people remember how we make them feel. Right? If you make somebody feel good, they're always going to want to be around you. But if you make people feel bad, nobody wants to continue feeling bad. So I'm just saying to us as a people, let us just show love. Love doesn't hurt. Love is it makes people feel good. So let's work on that, guy. A lot of feel good moments. Let us just make people feel good all over. Just feel good. 'Cause it's a good thing. All right? So they want to be back for more. They want to be back in your presence. They want to be back talking with you. They want to hear what you have to say. They want to do things with you and for you. They just want to be involved with you because the moment spent they're feel good moments. Nobody have to feel feel bad or feel embarrassed or feel less than. Everybody feels good. And so let us practice that. Make it a great day by choice. Remember to like the video, share out the videos. Thank you, Trending. Thank you, the J Jordan. I got up I was still up at 4. I saw you sharing up my videos. I totally appreciate it, guys. I do appreciate it that you take the time to just share out the videos so somebody can feel uplifted. So those of you who are not sharing out, guys, just click that little arrow, man, and put it on your WhatsApp 5 at a time. And so that somebody can feel uplifted. Somebody can have a smile on their faces. Somebody can have something to reflect on. Share them out. And just continue to show Miss Bev some love. Life with Bev Brown, guys, you need to go over and just support her. Thank you for all of you new supporters for her. Again, when you go to their channels, tell them Miss Bev sent you. Like Trending puts it, Miss Bev supports. So we have also Jamaica K Lifestyle. That's our own Sister Dawkins, IHS Ministries. Support her, guys. She's dropping our videos. I'm laughing out loudly, but get out there and support her. It's a good thing. All right. Just support all them people. Jet is starting out. She's coming. So show her some love. Jet is going through a lot, but even though she's going through a lot, that girl has a heart of gold. She gives back. She supports the soup kitchen. She sends her funds. Even though she's not working now, she's not well. And even though she's going through her stuff, she watches the videos. She comments on the videos. She watches them on TV. But she grabs her phone and she comments on them. I so appreciate her for that. Anytime we're collecting funding for stuff, she is there giving back. And so how can you not say, thank you, Jet. I so truly appreciate you, my friend. So show her some love, guys. Go over and show her some love. Watch her little videos, her little fast. They're mostly, she does the shorts. So just give it a thumbs up. And she did some vegetable cabbage, and her diet has changed drastically. I don't know if she did her surgery as yet, or she is waiting to lose enough weight so she can do the surgery. But life happens, guys, and you see her pictures how she was before she got sick. And again, sickness does put on the weight on your bodies. Sickness is not an easy thing. If your body is not functioning well, if it's not breaking down things properly, then we're going to find that things will happen. Does it change the person from a nice person to a bad person? No, guys, I keep emphasizing it because too many of us feel like when people have weight on them, they shouldn't sit in your car. They're going to break down your car if they sit in your car. Some of you cast death on them. Lose the weight or you go dead. The many fat people who have survived and lived well, lived good lives, contribute a lot to society, more than you, the skinny one out there, casting stones and putting down and pushing down. So let us remember, it doesn't matter. People with weight on their body still contribute a lot to society. We contribute a lot. I contribute a lot. And so don't put your goat mouth on people. Say good things or shut your mouth. Just shut your mouth, because sometimes we just open our mouth and it's just garbage that comes out. So if you don't have positive and loving things to say, shut your mouth. It's the mouth that tears up relationships. It's the mouth that wrecks marriages. It's the mouth that wrecks friendships. It's the mouth that separates parents from their children. It's that darn mouth. That thing that cuts crossway, when it opens, sometimes it doesn't collaborate with the brain, and it just creates havoc. It's that mouth. So think before you speak, and if it's not going to encourage somebody or make somebody feel good inside, then shut it. Just shut it. But for today, I say, as I said, if you can be good, if you can't be good, be careful. Be careful. Just be careful in all things. What you say, what you do, how you do it, how you say it, why you say it, why you do it, where you do it, and who you say it to. Take care, my family. Love, love, love. All of you.